Hi guys, Mike here from KS Bushcraft Down Under. Well, I've just stopped on the side of Whoop Whoop to help a young couple out with a couple of kids. Had two spare tyres on the back of the dual cab ute. Neither of them operational. So when they had a flat tyre, they grabbed the spare, it was flat. So they started blowing up the spare, but it wouldn't stay up. So it's actually the valve stem, which is really common. Now I looked at the tyres, these are brand new tyres, the spares, but they are more than 14 years old. So it's had it. That's not holding anything. So we've got two choices. I can break the bead here and pull a new valve stem core in, or I can try and force a new one in from the outside, because after 14 years of sitting on the back of the ute, I don't know what this rim will be like for me getting a seal on it again. So if I can get a new valve stem core in from the top, it'll be a lot less dramas. Those I had carry as spares. Right guys, this is a replacement valve stem unit. As you can see on the bottom, it has a large mushroom. That's sealing on the pressure side, soft, of the rim inside there that you can't see. So generally you would break the bead here. You don't need to take off the entire tyre, just break it enough that you can get your hand in there to get this started, and you would unthread this section, put this on, then lever it against the rim edge here and pop it out. So hopefully today we can avoid that by coming in from the top. So we're going to let out whatever's left in this tyre. So this is the proper charade tool. So I'll slip it in there till it locks on the valve stem core, and I'll just ease it off. Now if you let this, unthread this completely, that'll come out of there like a rocket. So just let it partially unthread, let it run down. There's not much air left in this tyre, but if you're messing with them, make sure you wear your glasses and stuff, or just be patient. So this is your valve core. This is the part when you're putting air into the tyre. This is the part that's opening and closing. The red band is the seal into the stem. So when you're using those rapid tyre deflators, it's this little seal that wears out really quick. So if you're going four-wheel driving and you're airing down using one of those, make sure you got plenty of spares of these. They're as cheap as chips, and when you need them, you really need them. Now, so there's my pull position, 90 for my hand. So I'm going to come in like this. I've got a quarter of a turn to make. Right. Come there and feel it grabbing the valve. Gentle, gentle, gentle. And we're out. So it's in one piece, which is nice. Righto guys, we're going to insert a new valve stem core. So I've got the stem attached to this steel rod with a handle on it. I've lubricated it up with dishwashing liquid, so we want this to go smooth. And I've put some dishwashing liquid and water down this tapered tube. So what we're going to do, we're going to put it straight over the rim here and drive this unit clean in to the rim. Then we're going to pull it back. We're not going to try and get it onto that groove there the first shot. That's about what we want. So we're looking at that angle there. Best we can. Alright, so there we are, we're seated. Disassemble our tool. So there's a new valve core already in this unit. Looks good all around. So we'll get our compressor out and we'll pressure test it. Right, we've got the 12 volt compressor running. Looking pretty good. So I'll bring this up to road pressure and I'll check it again and wash all the soap off. Right guys, I've set the pressure to 30 psi, which is what's on the car placard. I've tested the valve core, valve stem, it's all nice and sealed, all back on the road. Now, if you're going to head out bush, you need to learn some skills, and this is a skill which is handy to have. You're not a mechanic, but you're going out to have a good time, but be prepared. You don't want to be stuck at the side of the road, 100 k's from mobile phone coverage, with an easily fixable problem. Anyway guys, if you like this type of content and it helps you travel more safely, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. For those that are interested, this is the kit you can buy off Amazon. It's quite affordable. AME tyre valve tool, item number #51025. Good bit of gear for the tool bag.